In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate country data in Google Analytics. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting, understanding where your traffic comes from is vital for tailoring your content and marketing strategies. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily access this information within Google Analytics. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Analytics homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the main Google Analytics site. Logging in with your credentials will bring you to the dashboard, where you can start your data exploration journey. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate the Reports section. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and it will expand to reveal a variety of reporting options. This is where all the magic happens, as reports are crucial in understanding the nitty-gritty details about your site's visitors. Now, within the Reports section, look for the User Attributes option. Clicking on this will take you deeper into the details of your audience. Here, Google Analytics provides a comprehensive view of who your users are, including various demographic insights. The next step is to click on Demographic Details. This section provides a plethora of information about your audience, such as their age, gender, and importantly for us today, their geographic location. This is where things get interesting, because understanding the demographics can significantly inform how you approach your audience. Once you're in the demographic details, you'll see an option labeled Country. Clicking on Country will bring up a detailed breakdown of your website traffic by location. This is incredibly useful for identifying where your audience is coming from, which countries are engaging the most with your content, and where there might be potential to grow your audience further. Finally, the last step is to use the Highlight function. By clicking on Highlight, you can visually emphasize specific data points that are most relevant to you. This can help you quickly spot trends or significant changes in your data without getting lost in numbers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily locate and analyze country data in Google Analytics, allowing you to make informed decisions based on your audience's geographical distribution. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Remember, understanding where your traffic originates is just one piece of the puzzle in optimizing your website's performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on making the most out of Google Analytics.